Hi everyone, welcome to the red carpet. I was surfing the web online and on Wayfair.com. I found a little breakfast nook 3-piece set and I thought it was really cute, and I wanted to see if we could recreate it on a miniature scale, 1/6 play scale. There are the materials, and before we get started, I'm just going to ask that you subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell. I'm using a really light pencil on foam board, and this is the shape that I want to create. Those are going to be the ends of the bench, and it's about not quite 5 inches across. It's 6 inches high, and the seat part is about 4 inches right there. So I'm going to make that shape, and we're going to cut 4 of them. Those are the sides to the 2 benches. Then we'll cut another piece of foam board that is about 5.5 inches across, and it's going to be 6 inches tall. And we'll need 2 of them, one for each bench that we're creating. So what we're going to do is use hot glue to carefully attach 2 ends to a back. Those 2 side pieces, we're going to carefully use hot glue, and then we'll cut another piece of foam board and glue it across as a seat. And we'll repeat that twice. So we have 2 benches. Then we'll create another triangle size piece. We're going to glue it between the 2 benches. And another 6-inch tall piece of foam board across the back. Now I'm checking the dimensions on Wayfair.com, and the one bench is a little bit longer. So if you're recreating this, then don't make the benches the same size. So we're going to make the smaller short bench, and I'm going to need about 3 inches to create the legs for the bench. Put another piece of foam board for the seat, and then we'll glue the legs to the seat and add a support piece across the bottom. And there's our quick and instant bench. And we're going to repeat to make the table, but the legs of the table are going to be about 5.25 inches. So here are all 3 pieces: the large bench, the smaller bench, and the table. And then we're going to cut another piece of foam board, cover it with craft foam, and that is the little seat cushion for the bench. And we'll cover more foam board to create the cushions for the larger bench. And I didn't glue the cushions on because I wanted to change the cushions as the seasons change. So this is a fall theme, so we're going with the little fall colors. We're adding some accessories, some pillows. I got this little artificial plant and I glued it into a bottle cap. And these miniature pumpkins, and so it's perfect for fall. Now when the seasons change, I'm going to make new cushions, different color, nice for spring. But here is our lovely breakfast nook. I think it's super cute, and when I saw it online, I was like, wow, I've got to try to recreate that. That's my little challenge. So I really like how it turned out. It wasn't that difficult, but I basically used the entire piece of foam board. I would love to hear from you. I want to know what you guys think about this project. I want to see what you're working on. I'm always asking you to leave comments and hit me up on social media. I love to see what you're working on. I love, love, love when you guys send me photos to Facebook and when you tag me in your photos on Instagram. I appreciate you guys so much for keeping in contact with me and for leaving a comment on the last video. We're going to officially welcome Tammy Bailey to the red carpet. Thank you so much, Tammy, and thank you to all of you. I appreciate you so much. Remember, it's more fun to make it.